Hey boys and girls, we are back at it again with some inferencing. You have your last two mysteries today. You did it. You're gonna have solved 10 mysteries. That is awesome. Same directions as before. You're going to go into your first mystery. Make sure that you read all of the clues. Then you're going to add them into your answer sheet, your answer to clue number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you are going to answer the question at the bottom. So for mystery number 9, you are going to be answering, where was the bracelet and how do you know? And then you're going to go to mystery number 10, read all of your clues for mystery number 10, answer the questions on that answer paper just like you've done every other day. And you're going to be answering the big question at the bottom, which is possibly, let's see, there we go. Which your big question at the bottom is, what happened to the tree and how do you know? So, that's what your job is today. Again, you have 2 mysteries to solve. You need to make sure you upload your mystery assignment for mystery number 9 assignment here, your mystery number 10 assignment here. Good luck. May the odds be ever in your favor.